Welcome, Space Explorers. I'm Savannah Bullard from NASA's Centennial Challenges program at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. I'm a challenge author for SpaceTrash Hack, Revolutionizing Recycling on Mars. You may be wondering, of all the technology gaps that need to be bridged before we send humans to Mars, why is recycling such an important issue? Well, Houston, it's because we have a trash problem. After 3 years on a mission to Mars, 8 astronauts would have racked up over 12,000 kilograms of non-metabolic waste. And where does that all go? Space dumpster? Not an option. This is why we developed SpaceTrash Hack, and we need your help. Your Space App's mission is to turn Martian garbage into gold, or at least something way more useful. Your challenge is to design a sustainable system that recycles or reuses that non-metabolic waste at a hypothetical Martian base in Jezero Crater. And we're not talking about waste that we create organically. We are strictly focusing on solid trash items like foam packaging, food wrappers, busted equipment, bubble wrap, nitrile gloves, basically the items that astronauts use in their everyday lives, but are kind of considered one and done. While on Earth, we toss trash and it more or less disappears. On Mars, this is definitely not the case. There are no garbage trucks, no return to Earth options, and we certainly don't want to create landfills on other planets. Every gram matters when it costs thousands of dollars per kilo to launch, so we want to make everything we bring to Mars worth our while. A smart, sustainable waste system isn't just helpful, it's mission critical. So let's break down your challenge into 3 epic scenarios that you'll get to pick from. First is residence renovations. Picture it. You've just inflated your Martian habitat. The cube frame you used, all that foam packaging, they've done their job. So now what? Can you repurpose those materials into something useful? Next up is cosmic celebrations. A crew member has a birthday coming up, and after all that hard work, it is party time. But there are no balloons or streamers on Mars. Can you craft party supplies out of disinfectant wipes, food pouches, or plastic wrap? Get creative. And finally, we have daring discoveries. You've completed a big oxygen extraction experiment, and now you've got leftover gear, filters, and even a big pile of carbon. Can any of that be reused in meaningful ways? This is your chance to dive into real science. Can you make something useful from waste while minimizing water use, energy input, and microplastics? Can your system reuse byproducts and reduce harmful outputs? Don't just think recycling, think reimagining. Trash into tools, foam into furniture, wrappers into insulation. If it's safe, sustainable, and smart, it's fair game. And you're not alone. You've got power, water, crew support, and even Martian regolith available to help bring your design to life. Your idea can inspire real solutions for real missions, and that's not science fiction. So, ready to rethink waste in space? Join SpaceTrash Hack and show us how to make trash into treasure on Mars. Best of luck!